gonna teach you how to download Minecraft. So today, look at it. I have a Minecraft. Here, Minecraft. So I'm gonna teach you where I download it. First, download TikTok Lite. Sorry guys, I'm not good at English because I'm just gonna search TikTok. Yeah, TikTok, no TikTok. TikTok Lite. Yes, there's TikTok Lite, okay guys. Yes, I click it. Click it, okay. Don't download the original TikTok cause that's around 198 megabyte. I just downloaded it 4.78 megabyte. Okay, that's only good. That's good for your phone. TikTok Lite. Okay. When you already have an account, just log in TikTok Lite. Okay, open the game. Cause why I'm a Filipino. Look, our TV has a Filipino. Our TV has a Filipino. Okay.
Malunggay palisan.
So that I already an account, so I log in. I do not copy my name, okay? Because that's only no seeing, okay? No seeing. No seeing. Do not see it, do not see it, do not see it.
Pero nanay, alam mo ba na ang kasay pwede siyang tulong. Malaking tulong ang kasay.
Then you need, when you have already an account in there, just search how to download Minecraft. You will find a Filipino gonna say if you need to download Minecraft, just